covered. The best part? There is no strict age limit and, in many cases, no mandatory language test. Of course, learning some basic Norwegian will always be an advantage. Step-by-step visa application process. Here's how the process works. 1. Secure a job offer from a Norwegian employer. To apply online through udi.no, the official immigration website. 3. Pay the application fee around 6,300 NOK. 4. Book your appointment at VFS Global for biometrics. 5. Submit all required documents. 6. Wait for processing, usually 1 to 3 months. Once approved, you'll receive your residence card and you're ready to start your career in Norway. Where most people struggle, now, let's be honest, many people face difficulties with finding real and authentic job opportunities, creating a professional CV and cover letter that Norwegian employers accept, preparing the correct documents and avoiding rejection. And this is exactly where I can help you. My special course, just 299. I've created a step-by-step course that explains everything in detail, including trusted job portals and application methods, CV and cover letter templates tailored for Norway, visa guidance with proper documentation, interview preparation tips, plus personal support directly from me. And all of this is available for just 299. Simply DM me on Instagram, and I'll personally guide you through the process. Final words: opportunities don't wait forever. Thousands of people are applying for Norway jobs every single day, and those who take action early will always have the advantage. So, if you're serious about building your future in Norway, DM me on Instagram today to join the 299 course. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more updates on Norway jobs and visas. Your dream of working in Norway could be just one decision away.